spent over 1 year creating 12 different styles of content. And in the end, I'm going to show you guys the one style of content that generated me over $40,000 in cash in 2024. So with that being said, let's get straight into it. So the truth about YouTube in 2025. So I'm going to show you guys how entrepreneurs can succeed on YouTube without needing fancy equipment or perfect editing or even millions and millions of views. Now I'm going to make sure you guys learn the exact secrets to generating high quality leads, which is exactly what I did in 2025, and make sure you make a shit ton of cash. So first thing we want to talk about is value over virality. So the first checkpoint I want to cover is quality over quantity. Now a boring video, no editing at all, with 1K views can generate $10,000 in client revenue. This video can generate me over $10,000 in client revenue. Absolutely no editing in it at all, but it can. Right. Next thing you need to understand is education trumps entertainment. Educational content simply just outperforms entertainment content for business growth. It's just the harsh truth, and it's just the rules of the game. Right? You got to play by the rules of the game if you want to make money. And the final thing is targeted audience. One high quality lead is way more valuable than 10,000 random viewers. Right? So the secret to YouTube in 2025 lies in delivering value per second, not seconds of value, or chasing viral trends. Focus on creating content that resonates with your target audience and drives the business results. So let me show you guys a hook, a three-part framework, which you guys can use for effective video hooks. Because as we know, right, if you don't have a strong hook, you're not going to get many views at all. Your video's not going to get much exposure. So a hook is really, really important. So hook is to make sure it matches the title and the thumbnail in the first 10 seconds of the video. Make sure you use this formula. Proof, promise, path. Simple as that. This is what Alex Moses uses. Alex Moses makes more than $100 million a month. Make sure you trust him. Okay. Next thing, story. So take the viewers from the problem to the solutions. The storytelling is crucial. It's absolutely vital. I'm going to start doing this more often in my videos, right? Because you want to build a deeper connection with the audience. And the final thing is payoff. So give actionable value, which they can implement, which I'm giving you guys right now. Now, pro tip, your first line should confirm what the viewer clicked on. Literally no fluff at all. An example could be, here's how to get high ticket clients with YouTube. Instead of saying, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mohammed. I'm going to show you guys. Absolute waste of time. People value their time, and you want to make sure it happens, right? Get straight to the point. Now let me go for the anti-viral framework. So the golden fish method. Now, what is the golden fish method? Well, instead of casting a wide net, fish in a small pond with an expensive fish hanging out. Right? One golden fish can potentially bring in 10 plus thousands of dollars in business. Okay. And the simplicity is key. So no fancy transitions, no complex editing, just pure targeted value. Now, I want you to think of your channel as a high-end restaurant. Fewer people, but they're all here to spend money. Now, these videos take 1/10 of the effort to make simply because you're talking to the right people. You don't need all the bells and whistles. That is the anti-viral framework. Now let's go over the 4-step system for effective YouTube content. First one's relevancy, right? Make sure every video is around your offer, not the offer around the video. Next thing is CTR. So make sure you get clicks from the right people, not just anyone. Okay. Third thing is the hook. So use 3Ps formula. So proof, promise, and plan. Fourth thing is the body structure. So step one, go over the story, the strategy, tactics, and the proof. Now, this system targets people who can actually book calls, meaning one boring video can generate more qualified leads than 100 of viral videos. It's like having a sales team that's working for you 24/7, bringing you perfect fit clients while you sleep. Like, this video is going to pull me in leads while I'm sleeping. It's pretty amazing, right? Yeah. Next thing is know your ICP. Know your ideal customer profile. The first thing is targeted approach. When you know your ICP before posting a single video, it's like fishing in the right pond for the golden fish, right? And then also no ads required, because with the right ICP focus, you can book calls without spending a dime on ads. And obviously quality over quantity. So golden fish is basically people who want help from your stuff, not just random viewers. Now let's go over the power of smooth CTAs, which is extremely important. So smooth CTA example, since we're talking about booking 5+ calls without ads, there's a specific ICP targeting method that I use that should change everything. And I want to break down the exact process in the next video. But let me just show you guys just a few examples. So why they work. So why they work is because you can link it to the current topic, you create curiosity, and you make a specific promise. Now, smooth CTAs work better because they connect with the viewer's current interest, they pique their curiosity, and offer a clear benefit for taking action. Simple as that. Just have better CTAs. Now, finally, let's go over YouTube and school, a powerful combo. So with YouTube, you can create targeted, value-driven content, which has amazing synergy with school because you can combine these platforms for maximum impact. And what's the result? You're booking over 5+ calls. You get another 10 new members inside your school community. And when it's done right, combining YouTube and school can lead to booking 5+ calls a day, 10 new members inside your community every single day. With people who genuinely want your services, you've already done 50% of the work. Now it's time to leverage it. Hey, let me run you guys through the trust triangle. So the trust triangle, basically three different components. Teach, which basically means it shows you're an expert in the industry. Relate, show you how you understand. And prove, which is basically show how it works. All right, when you build trust with your audience by providing bite-sized, actionable advice, sharing personal stories, and backing up your claims with results, this trust stack approach leaves viewers wanting more and more and more and increases the likelihood of them booking a call. Okay. Now let's go over the call to action loop. So again, it's a 3-series call to action loop, which is hook, middle, and close. Hook is where you start with a strong, clear action step. Middle is where you casually mention your offer, doing the value delivery, and close is when you finish with a no-brainer push. So you want to guide your viewers, from committed with a strategic CTA approach. Your CTA call to action should feel like an empowering invitation, a door to transformation, not a sales pitch at all. Remember to create urgency and make it easy for the viewers to take the next step. Now, this is the entire funnel. This is the entire YouTube strategy, entire content strategy, which I'm going to be using this year to generate me over $1 million. And that made me generate over $40,000 in 2024. Now, if you guys want access to this on a higher end, if you guys want access to this entire presentation, more my reports, templates, done for you templates on how to drive traffic to content, the first link in the description is right for you. It's my free school community. Make sure you join it right now.